Hello everyone, this is Anand from NIT Jamshedpur. Today we all are assembled here to present our innovative ideas in the program of Behind the Teachers Day 2021. My topic is sustainability of rare earth metals. I came to know this topic because by reading the burning issue of the semiconductor chips that are going on, that the world is facing a scarcity of semiconductor chips around the globe. I would like to carry forward the presentation. Now, this is in a need of hour. As I already discussed that the semiconductor shortage leads to the sustainable development of the rare earth metals. The major cause of the are the low abundance of ore, industry headache, and the one of the major thing is the China's monopoly over the rare earth metal production. As we all know that the 50%, almost 63% of the rare earth metal production is carried out by the China, and the China put over the some rigid rules and regulations which acts as a barrier for the import and export and trade relations. Now, we have to carry some sustainable strategies to get the rare earth metal production in the coming future. One of these are the urban mining, industrial symbiosis, circular economy. Urban mining is the unused wastes that end up in landfills become an input source for the recovery of the desired materials. And the industrial symbiosis we have to connect all the industry from all over the globe to carry the wasted data generated from the one industry will be a useful product for the another industry. And third one is the circular economy. By connecting the economy just like the resources that we use for the production, then reuse, and it goes and go on, and the keeping the products, material, equipment, and infrastructure in use for a longer time. This is the slide that shows that the how much amount of the rare earth metal can be extracted from the recycling of the various products in urban cities, just like in laptops, smartphones, NIMH battery. We see here that the 2.5 times of the sum of the rare earth metals can be extracted from these unused materials. Government are also looking forward to carry out this sustainable development, just like the cement Hyderabad has put out a pivot plant for the e-waste recycling processes of the spent printed circuit boards.